What if a simple meal could quiet the silent river of protein flooding your urine and protect your kidneys from serious damage? Right now, your kidney attack, but what you eat could be the shield that desperately need. Let's explore 5 powerful foods proven to reduce proteinuria and support kidneys healing. Let's talk about proteinuria, when too much protein leaks into your urine and how your diet can influence it deeply. Proteinuria isn't just a symptom, it's a red flag that your kidneys filtered glomeruli are becoming damaged. Left unchecked, it predicts faster progression of a kidney disease and a higher risk of a dialysis or death. The good news, nutrition isn't powerless. It's one of the few levers you can pull. Here are 5 foods that research suggests that can help reduce protein leakage and support kidney recovery. Eating cold water fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, or sardines introduce anti-inflammatory omega-3 fatty acids into your system. Here's why that matters. Chronic inflammation damages the glomeruli, making them leak protein. Omega-3s reduce inflammation and may protect kidney filtration units. In one analysis, increased intake of fish omega-3s was associated with a lower albuminuria in people with the kidney disease. If ignored, persistent inflammation and the protein leakage accelerate scarring in the kidneys, leading to irreversible loss of function. Beetroot is rich in nitrates and betalains, compounds that improve blood flow and reduce oxidative stress in the kidney tissue. Good kidney perfusion helps filter protein properly. Oxidative stress disrupts that filtering, causing proteinuria. While a specific trial focusing solely on beets and proteinuria are scarce, broader dietary research shows that diets high in vegetables like beetroot are linked with a slower CKD progression and a less albuminuria. If you skip these high plant foods, you miss the protective blood flow, boost your kidneys need, and you stay at a higher risk of a leak and damage. Leafy greens such as kale, spinach, offer high antioxidant content and a low protein load, crucial when kidneys are stressed. Here's what happens. Damaged kidneys struggle to filter excess protein and acid load. Eating more plant reduces the acid burden and relieves glomerular pressure. Ignoring these greens means missing a simple way to reduce kidney workload. Over time, that means more protein leaking and more damage. Legumes provide plant-based protein and fiber, a double win. Why it helps? Switching from animal to plant protein reduces glomerular hyperfiltration, overwork of kidney filters, which in turn reduces proteinuria. When ignored, continuous high filter stress from protein overload leads to faster decline in the filtration rate and a more protein spill. Including legumes regularly gives your kidneys protein they can handle without the same burden. Berries are small but mighty. They're loaded with the polyphenols and anthocyanins that reduce oxidative damage in the kidneys. Why that matters? Oxidative stress damages glomerular cells and promotes protein leakage. Already you noted that antioxidant-rich diets correlate with a lower urinary protein and a slower CKD progression. If you skip this kind of a nutrient-dense foods, you lose a subtle but important protective mechanism. They repair, boost your kidney crave, while they are leaking. If you're finding this helpful and want more science-based, practical health tips, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe to our channel and ring the bell. We publish evidence-backed videos each day that explain why your body acts the way it does and how you can work with it, not fight it. Now that you know which foods help, let's talk about how to use them in real life. Always consult your healthcare provider before making changes to your diet or supplements, especially if you have a kidney disease. Prioritize plant-based proteins and reduce animal protein. By swapping some meat for beans or lentils, you reduce glomerular overwork and help proteinuria mechanism. Less filtration strain, slower leak, less scarring. Adapt kidney-friendly meals with the strong vegetables and the low sodium. Meals packaged with the beets, greens, berries, and minimal added salt reduce acid load and glomerular stress. Lower fetal bulk load, better blood flow, less damage. Include fatty fish twice a week or an omega-3 supplement if approved by your doctor. Fish oils reduce inflammation in kidneys and support filtration integrity. Stack on the berries daily and use leafy greens generously. Regular intake keeps antioxidant defenses high and support kidney repair, reduce oxidative damage, stabilize leak. Stay on the top of your kidney labs and follow up with your provider. Monitoring urinary albumin protein can detect early leak and show progress. Proteinuria is an actionable target for treatment. Early detection, early action, better outcomes. The truth is, your kidneys can recover from early damage if you give them the right support. Incorporating salmon, beetroots, leafy greens, legumes, and berries into your routine isn't just health eating, it's targeted kidney care. Your body knows how to heal. These foods are your allies.